Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into the method of adding tasks with attachments in Todoist, your ultimate guide for 2025. First off, you'll want to open Todoist and navigate to the project where you want to add your task. Now, this is important as it helps keep your tasks organized and ensures you're adding the task to the right project. Next up, click on the Add Task button, usually located at the top or bottom of your task list, depending on your settings. This action will open up a new task input field where you can type in your task name. The reason we do this is to create a placeholder for your task in the list. Now that we've done that, let's add an attachment. To do that, click on the paperclip icon located at the right of the task input field. This will open your File Explorer. Navigate to where you have your file saved, select it, and click Open. Adding attachments to your tasks makes them more context-rich and provides additional information relevant to the task at hand. Have you noticed the comment icon beside the paperclip? Clicking this allows you to add any additional notes or details about your task. This helps us because it allows us to keep all related information in one place, making for a more streamlined workflow. So we've added our task, attached our file, and added our comments. What's left? Simply press Enter or click on the Add Task button to save your new task with its attachment. Let me explain why this matters. Pressing Enter or clicking Add Task not only saves your task, but also makes it visible to all project members, enhancing collaboration and progress tracking. And there you have it. You've successfully added a task with an attachment in Todoist. It's quite straightforward when you know the steps, right? Remember, Todoist is an incredibly powerful tool when used correctly, so take advantage of these features to make your task management more efficient. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll catch you in our next guide. Until then,